Hello guys, I'm gonna show how to install the virtual machine in VMware workstation. So I will guide you step by step process. Just keep with me. So you can see here a default virtual machine open. Let's forget it. Now I'm going to install new virtual machine. Go to the file and click new virtual machine and now use the custom option. Click next. Again you have to click next. Now we have to select this third option. I will install the operating system later. Now click the next. Again we have to select the Microsoft Windows. Click next. Now here we have to change the name. Like if I want to make client 1 and I have to make a folder like this PC. Go to the C drive, create a new folder, name is VMS, hit enter. Okay, it means so that there is a VMS folder is already exist. It's okay, we can change the name. Okay, VMS. Now again make a new folder in VMS, that is name client 1. Again hit enter, yes, and click OK. Then we have to choose next. Say that this path is already exist, means that we have a this name of file, so we have to change. Like I'm gonna client 2, mention the client 2, and here I'm going to make create a new folder like VMS2, again new client 2 and hit OK. Now see the next, choose BIOS 1. Again it ask you how many processor you want, then by default 2 processor, it's okay. Now next, again hit the next option. Now we have to choose the use network address translation. It means that we have to choose the NAT. Again hit next. Then we have to choose LSI login SAS. It is a recommended and default option. Now we have to choose the SCSI for the disk type. Again we have to choose the use or create new virtual disk. Now hit the next. Now we have to choose the store virtual disk as a single file. Again next. Okay, now next. Then finish this. Now guys, you can see a new virtual machine make, then power off this virtual machine. So guys, there is a problem, my workstation is not connected with the ISO, so we have to CD DVD option and we have to connect with the ISO image file. Now you go where here ISO file is given. Let me search. Okay, let me search ISO. Here is yeah, ISO. I got the ISO file. Now open. Now you have to choose window and now open and say okay. So guys, now we have to power on the mission. Sorry guys, this is issue created, but now your virtual machine is created. Thank you for watching.